Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Koffee brings the island vibes to Wild 'N Out. Grammy-winning artist Koffee brought the Jamaican flavor to MTV's popular hip-hop comedy series Wild 'N Out, aired last night on VH1. The Grammy Kid served as the captain for the Black Squad and saw Koffee going head-to-head against Nick Cannon in a wild-style rap battle.
Hey, cause I'm from J.A., a real G. You see, Pre can't be me. A Kiki, Nick Cannon can't pin me. No BB, my might small, but my 3D on TV. Go easy, hey.
Koffee also faced off against the Red Team in a segment dedicated to some Jamaican dance moves.
Koffee, show him how to do it.
The show ended with Koffee performing her international hit, Toast.
And gratitude is a must, yeah. Missy blessings fall by me right hand. So bust a toast to the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we while I know said the road and me go on with the road.
Koffee is the latest Jamaican artist to be featured on Wild 'N Out, as Sean Paul and Cranium have been featured on the show in 2006 and 2016 respectively. The Marleys promote nation development. Ghetto Youths Foundation, GYF, founded by Stephen, Damon and Julian Marley, recently opened the Cornerstone Learning Center. Established in Trenchtown, the center intends to provide young community members with overall academic support, personalized tutoring, test preparation, computer literacy classes, and cultural as well as personal development. The center, which is open to the general public, boasts 3 rooms, a main academic study hall, a learning library, and also features a computer lab with high-speed Wi-Fi cabling and wiring throughout the facility, as well as laptops and smart TVs. Parents are required to register children ages 8 to 18 to obtain access to the facility, and children are encouraged to adhere to the code of conduct. The opening of the Cornerstone Learning Center fulfills the Ghetto Youths Foundation vision to be generationally impactful in communities where opportunities are scarce. Now to news overseas, where top-tier artists pay tribute to the legend, Kobe Bryant. Rappers Chance the Rapper, Lil Wayne, DJ Khaled and Quavo gave riveting performances at the 2020 NBA All-Star Game halftime show that culminated with a tribute to the late Kobe Bryant.
Put your hands up and throw your hands up. Come on, I'm the one, yeah.
The halftime show followed an earlier musical performance by Jennifer Hudson, who kicked off the game with an emotional. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.